Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In the previous video, I told you how to create an Canva account and how you can get the Canva Pro for free. If you have not watched the video, you can check out the link in my description, and you can also find that video in above I button. So let's get started in our next video. Today I'm going to tell you how you can create uh, an Instagram post by using the Canva templates. So here are two methods. You can use the templates section here, and here you can find here the Instagram post. If I scroll it down, you can see there Instagram post, and if you scroll right, you can see here different niches are available here. And the second and the alternative method is that you can create a design. You can click here and then you can select Instagram post. If you don't find it here, you can also search it Instagram, then you can find that Instagram post. After clicking the Instagram post, here a blank document will open in your Canva, and here is the Canva uh, and here is the canvas interface. You can see here different templates including different needs, and if let's imagine I'm going to create an Instagram post about some exercise and about some gym. So I'll search here gym. Uh, Here you can see fitness and gym center, keep your fitness, and here you can see. So I can use any of these templates, and I just have to make a little change in these templates, and then you can get your desired post. Here you can use the zoom option, and let's zoom it to the 50%. Yeah. So here is our template. I'm going to uh, edit this template. After that, here you can use your client's website, and you can use and you can also use your own website if you have your own gym. So I'm putting here www.fitnessgym.com, for example, and here you want to change this text. You can also get right here enroll now after clicking let's make it a little okay. So you can also change all these images. You can also change all these effects, and let's see here. You can see here. Asha. Okay, let me show you some other fantastic things here. Here is the element section, and in the element section, you can add your logo. For adding my logo, I'll firstly choose a frame. For the frame, I will use here the frame circle frame. After that, I can choose it, that I'm going to change my color from red, the border color from red to white. After making it white, you can then import your channel logo here. Uh, Either you are using your own channel or you are going to use your gym logo. Let's use my channel image here. So you can add your Teams logo here also, and also put it anywhere where you find it suitable. Let me zoom out the graphic and the here. After that, you can use the brand hub for fetching the logos from different websites. Here is the text option, add a heading, add a subheading, or add a body text. Here you can also find the pre-styled text also, title and the heading. After that, you can use the draw option, the canvas draw option provides you a lot of handwriting, some pencils. Here is the highlighter, and sorry, here was the pen, and here is the highlighter. Here is the eraser. It will erase, or it's going to erase. Let me uh, let me save my design. For that purpose, I can use download option, and here you can see .png file, .pdf, .svg, .mp4 video, but I'm going to save it as .png file, and then here my png file will be shared or exported. You can see here a great graphic is ready.